Ideas for working online. Welcome to the digital era, where working online has become the norm. Discover unlimited opportunities right from your home. Ever thought of freelance writing? With countless websites seeking fresh content, your words can earn. How about graphic design? Businesses everywhere need logos, advertisements, and social media banners. Maybe you're tech-savvy. Consider web development, coding websites, or creating apps for businesses worldwide. Or, use your interpersonal skills in virtual assistants, managing appointments, emails, and tasks for busy professionals. Lastly, don't forget online teaching. With digital learning on the rise, your knowledge can educate the world. Embrace the future with online work.